Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload cover photo on Pinterest. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Pinterest, you can continue with your Facebook account or you can continue with your Google account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're all set. Okay, so uploading a cover photo on Pinterest can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, a cover photo catches the attention of users scrolling through their feed, enticing them to explore your profile or board further, alright? Obviously, a well-chosen cover photo can convey the essence of your profile or board, telling a story and giving viewers a glimpse into what they can expect from your content. On Pinterest, cover photos are often used to distinguish between different boards. By selecting a unique cover photo for each board, you can make it easier for users to navigate and find the content that they are interested in. And obviously, if you are using Pinterest for business or to promote a product or service, a visually appealing cover photo can attract more attention to your boards and drive traffic to your website or online store. Now, for us to be able to upload a cover photo here on Pinterest, all you have to do is click on the profile icon settings in the upper right corner. And from here, you need to click on settings. But to make our life easier, just click on convert business. Now, the reason why we need to upgrade to the business account is that the business account will allow you to upload a cover photo for your business. And from here, apart from you're getting a publishing tools, ads manager, insights and analytics, and a lot more, just click on the upgrade button here on the bottom, click on it. And from here, just choose what describes your business. It can be an online merchant or marketplace, consumer goods, services provider. And obviously, that's going to be content creator. Click on it. And from here, you can put the business name that you wanted. Say, for example, I'm going to be using Andy Guide YouTube. And the country of region and on the website, but just click on the, if you don't have a website, just click on the I don't have a website and click on next. And just fill in as much as more information as you wanted, right? Maybe like create content on Pinterest and the focus of your brand, maybe like education, and click on done. Now from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Now from here, you can add text and logos and make multiple pins at once and edit like a pro, right? You have new ways to edit. You can crop images or use a preset size. Use font colors and to make text pop. You can create a collage, combine up to 5 images, reorder images, and a lot more, and pick the best pin size for your content, especially now that you're in the business account. And from here, click on X and drag and drop or click images or a video. All right. And from here, this is going to be our cover photo. And maybe put something like a description about you. Right? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.